I just leave a little acorn filled with cream out for them.
That's very sensitive of you. You know how to communicate with them.
Well, I do believe in gnomes, Lewis.
How nice you if you don't.
I don't want to go into the whole thing, but gnomes are real and they're strong and they are my friends.
Don't fuck with gnomes.
Excuse me?
You heard me. You know, they can...
I wasn't planning to.
They can get into your house and fix your shoes. God knows what else they could do. They could take a shit in your mouth, is what I'm saying.
What the fuck?
I know. You're having a nice sleep.
How? So they're cobblers.
Well, you didn't. If you don't leave the creamy acorn out, they're going to be very unhappy.
Creamy acorn. Now, I don't like that.
Why
because
not?
that was a nickname someone once gave my penis.
The
creamy acorn. What the fuck?
Oh gosh. Oh, Tom started laughing and it set me off. I wouldn't have gone.
Lift
I
one
lean
cheek.
forward.
Oh no, you lean forward.
Or to the side.
Or to the side. It's quite noticeable. Ben, did you see the top of his head go up?
Yeah.
He looks over the monitor.
I focusedly do not make eye contact. I pretend like nothing has happened. I stare.
You're right there, Lewis, because he's Welsh as well, right? Isn't he?
Yeah, he is. Yeah, it's good that you know that.
Yeah.
And I look up. I'm like, what's up?
Yeah. What's the problem?
Dead straight.
Is there some kind of fucking problem?
No.
Fucking problem?
No, that's acknowledgement.
I'm vegan. What were you planning it to read? You don't have to dox your...
In loving memory of Lewis's nan.
Yeah.
She was very old.
She was very old.
She loved things.
She loved things.
Benches, scenery.
Not immigrants.
She wasn't partial.
No, anything new. Like new things.
Well, we don't need to write that on there.
Oh, me goat.
Hi.
Oh, me goat. I'm like waving at someone else who's on another goat. High five each other as we go by.
Parents are like, don't look, children. Don't look.
Mummy, who's that fucking twat on the robot goat? That's the Dicky Hole Man, son.
Well, it's not rubber even, is it? It looks probably like
maybe they did the fingerprints and it was just like a completely black oval because there's no ridges.
Oh my God, she's got no fingerprints.
Oh my God, she must have had them removed. Maybe she's a spy. The coroner came in to perform the autopsy and he got out a scalpel, put it in and she just popped. Like flying around the room.
Everyone was traumatized. Like the young detective is like sick.
Your first time, kid. Don't worry, it gets better.
Yes, they located the model number and the crime scene was appropriately processed and evidence collected. So they did do the whole thing, just, you know.
Oh, did they find any DNA?
In the holes. The holes were swabbed.
About 3 spoonfuls.
Teaspoons or tablespoons?
Oh, teaspoons? Bloody hell. It wasn't a horse that fucked her.
But it says
It's a
here
replica.
in the news article...
It's not a real potato.
A replica,
by the way.
Yes, just to clarify, it's giant.
It's like a statue of a potato.
But what's it a replica of?
A potato.
No, but I feel like the word replica... It's like
of a particular potato.
Yes.
A famous Cypriot potato.
And one that's the same
Shout out
size.
to G-Star Games. Just... David the Gnome. He could be real.
Who's David the Gnome?
David the Gnome.
Who's David the Gnome?
I'm gonna have to put the theme on.
Of David the Gnome.
Yeah.
Welcome to a Ben W7.
Oh! Spicy start! Spicy fucking start! I did not expect that!
Unexpected Harvey Weinstein, who did David the Gnome.
Holy fucking shit!
He had his finger in many pies, did Harvey Weinstein.
I can't believe that. I literally cannot believe
ruined
that.
David the Gnome for us.
David the Gnome has been ruined.
No, it's just like, a lady showing her ankle. I don't think they even had the tits out in these.
An ankle?
Ones. Exactly.
Oh my god. Ankles, volume 1.
That'll be it. That'll be the early ones.
Oily, wet, slippery ankles.
They should have named them like the modern pornos are.
Step ankles.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, step ankle. What are you doing? Hey, Lewis. Have you heard about the parrot?
Hello.
Have you heard about... Hey, Lewis. Fucking... Get him, Duff! Get him, Duff!
Oh, he's so soft.
He is, isn't he?
Isn't he soft when he savages
Give
you?
him a stroke.
It's lovely. His teeth are just so gentle. Oh, he's lovely. Look at him. Oh, he's lovely. He loves his ears being scratched.
Oh, he does, doesn't he?
Look at him.
What a good boy. What a good... Oh, his lipstick's out, Lewis. Oh, Jesus. Right. So...
Tom, stop laughing. You're setting me off. This isn't... You're not allowed to laugh.
I mean, if you weren't vegan, would you try a bit of iguana on a pizza, maybe?
I think if it was naturally killed, like if it had died falling out of a coconut tree,
right,
and a coconut had landed on its head.
What if it died because it was very, very sick?
What did it have? What did it have before it died? What did it die of?
Prostate cancer.
It's tragic. Oh god. That is really sad.
I'm tearing up.
I like weird.
You do.
We love it.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Prego.
What? No, sorry, it's just wind.
It's Italian for you're welcome.
Okay.
Prego.
Right.
Just felt like it. It's wind though, is it?
Maserati.
Okay, do you reckon that's it? What are you doing?
I'm trying to spell coconut. I typed coke.
Well, it's auto fixed it for you actually, so just press space and carry on. I'm sure a lot of people misspell it. It's a very easy. I never thought until now how easy it was to fuck that up.
Oh shit!
It does make sense.
I can't believe it.
Stop it. So cats. What is a cat?
So there's a cat called Tula, who had been visiting this carvery because she really, obviously it's the smell attracted her.
All the meats. Yeah.
Yeah, the smell of the meat.
The roast meat.
Not the smell of the customers.
Just clarifying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just in case
It's almost certainly the meats.
It probably is.
It could be. It could be something else.
Maybe there's some nice flowers they've got growing outside.
Maybe. Tom, stop it. It's setting me off.
That'll be the meat. Jesus Christ.
Sorry, it's such a weird article. Toby Carvery.
So a cat has been visiting this carvery.
I haven't thought about Toby Carvery in years.
You're having a breakdown.
I didn't know they were still going.
It's okay.
I didn't know people still went out for roasts. Come back to us if I splash him with holy water again.
Oh, what happened to us? Are we going to record some Minecraft? Are we finally going to record Shadow Ritter
Oh my god!
43?
It must have been that party we had in Los Angeles with all those women. That must have
the women that were wearing lingerie.
That's when the demon got in you.
That wanted me to marry them.
Yeah. Holy shit! What
that
a
was a
time.
good time. They don't have a teddy bear. There was no teddy bear. It's a serial killer dressed up inside the teddy bear outfit, waiting there.
How do you explain the really long legs?
It's Joe Hickson. You're in a house. It's late at night. You hear a tapping on the window. You're like, it's a snake. It's headbutting the window.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
And then you're like, oh my god, where's the phone? I've got to call the police. And then you look back to the window, it's gone.
The window's gone.
The window's gone. It got smashed by the snake. The snake is now in the house somewhere.
Oh, I recognise you from the local Domino's. I call you up all the time. How you doing? Oh, what do you normally have on your pizza?
Tomato.
Can I get kiwis on it?
Darren, what's the kiwi? No. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Have you got any other things on the pizza?
We do wraps.
Can you do me a little one right now?
My name is Simon and I'm here to say I got peculiar portions for you today. Do you know what would happen? If you saw what you thought was a ghost and you just like put your foot down to drive through it, your body would pass through the ghost. And then for that brief like split second, the ghost would be inside your body. And that's gay. I'm assuming it's a man ghost. I don't know why. Do you know squirrel hell is dog heaven?
Right. That makes sense.
Yeah, dogs just chasing
Do
squirrels.
they all like
down and murdering
overlap?
them.
Do you know what I mean? Like cat heaven is bird hell.
What's squirrel heaven got in it? Just nuts everywhere.
Yeah, and I guess like
That's your hell.
that is my hell. It makes sense. So squirrel heaven is actually
Your hell.
what's my heaven then?
Your heaven is just asparagus and giant potatoes everywhere.
Actually,
Vegan
is.
heaven.
That is my heaven.
And you're there with all the other vegans. Hitler's there.
That's good to know.
Thank you for watching / listening to Peculiar Portions.
Oh.